Hello everyone, my name is Nitin Singh and I'm a watercolor artist. I love teaching watercolor art and I've been teaching watercolor for many years, and I've seen the people are improving their skill after taking my class. So particularly in this class I'm going to teach you this project. This is watercolor landscape, which gives you a more ability to paint watercolor landscape the way you want. Not only this subject, but even after taking this class you will be learning the various aspect of the various fundamental of making landscape in watercolor. So you will have a fantastic time going through this watercolor class, and I'm sure after this class you will equipped with a lot of skill where you can make your own watercolor paint, watercolor landscape, or wherever or however you want. The important part is to learning the fundamental and the basic, the basic aspect of watercolor. And I look forward to have you in my class. So I see you there.